Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is indignant. It's pronounced indignant, and it is spelt I-N-D-I-G-N-A-N-T. Think in, then dig, and then nant. Indignant means feeling or showing anger or annoyance because something is thought to be unfair. For example, you could say, the boy became indignant when the teacher told him his test answers were wrong. The word indignant comes from the Latin indignare, meaning to be displeased at, be offended, resent, or deem unworthy. Its meaning is similar today. If you are acting indignantly, you are annoyed or offended because you think something is unfair. Here's an example of a situation where you might feel indignant. Imagine you're playing a game with your little brother. You are both running around the house when suddenly your brother slips and knocks over your parents' expensive vase. It smashes on the floor and your mum storms in demanding to know what happened. Then your little brother points at you and claims that you broke the vase, so your mum begins to tell you off. In this situation, how would you feel? Annoyed? Probably. Angry? Most likely. But you'd also feel indignant because you are feeling annoyed and angry that you have been treated unfairly. Indignant is an adjective and therefore a describing word. For example, you could say, when asked if she was lying, she gave an indignant reply. Indignant can be turned into indignantly, which is an adverb. For example, you could say, I glared at him indignantly. Indignant is defined in the dictionary as angry because of something that is wrong or not fair. Indignant synonyms include angered, aggrieved, resentful, disgruntled, and annoyed. Antonyms include calm, cheerful, happy, peaceful, pleased, and gleeful. See if you can notice anyone acting indignantly today. It could be one of your friends at school, if they get into trouble, or it could be a character on TV. Either way, impress your friends by using your new word today. Indignant. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.